The pros and cons of having large windows. Dear friends, replacing walls with large windows is a trend that is becoming increasingly popular in design and construction. However, we must carefully consider the implications of undressing our home. Here are the most noticeable advantages and disadvantages of large windows in a house. Pros of a large window. An invasion of light. Large windows offer the possibility to enjoy an abundance of natural light during days when the temperature is cool, thus reducing electricity expenses. Natural heat. During the winter months, a sunny day can also bring a bit of natural heat depending on the thermal insulation of the glass windows. Amazing views. Large windows are generally located in buildings that have the privilege of offering luxury views, either of the city, the forest, or the sea. If that is not the case, the investment may not be worth it. A variety of options. When it comes to installing large windows, there are many options in terms of quality, color, cost, and safety. In relation to the color, the same goes from transparent to tinted glass in shades of mauve, blue, or another color depending on preference. Limitless amplitude. The absence of a wall portrays the visual sensation of a wider space that seems lighter and offers the same visual illusion of mirrors, which is a clever idea for small rooms. Cons of a large window. Privacy is at stake. Unless the house is in a secluded location or the window is oriented towards an inner garden, large windows expose the home to the prying eyes of outsiders, thus needing curtains or blinds to mitigate that effect. Permanent maintenance. Glass is extremely vulnerable to dust, dirt, and even stains from waterspots. To show a glass wall with dignity, it must be cleaned constantly to avoid the reflection of the light on the unwanted impurities that easily form on the same, preventing you from enjoying the view. Greenhouse effect. If the glass lacks thermal insulation, the heat that will accumulate in the rooms during the summer won't be pleasant. This is an important aspect to consider during the design of the project. Price factor. There are lots of things to consider when it comes to calculating the cost of large windows. If you have more than one large window and making them insulated can break the bank. Even decorating or fixing them by professional experts will increase the cost. Certainly, the trend of undressing our homes with large windows is a tempting choice due to all its benefits. However, it would be wise to consider all these aspects to achieve a successful project. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.